My name is Anton Miettinen. I work as an install-based engineer here in Vantaa, Finland. I do reliability analysis based on our service data and build statistical models to predict the future service need of our devices. I studied mechanical engineering in Tampere. My main subjects were industrial management and power plant engineering. I first started as a data coordinator during my last years of study. Then after that I started doing my master's thesis for the company, and after the graduation I got a full-time job. We have a small and efficient team of 4 people. We have a very good team spirit and my colleagues are extremely helpful. I would encourage people to apply because we have a very good working environment, good opportunities for career development and advancement, and also you will get a valuable experience for future.